Eureka Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for carpet and floor, a must-have for your home. When it comes to maintaining a clean and spotless home, having a reliable vacuum cleaner is essential. The Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU 350 upright vacuum cleaner stands out as a versatile and efficient solution for all your cleaning needs. Whether you have carpets, hard floors, or pesky pet hair to deal with, this lightweight and bagless vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional results. Hash key features of the Eureka MaxSwivel Pro. 1. Swivel steering. Navigating around furniture and tight spaces has never been easier. The swivel steering feature allows for effortless maneuverability, making your cleaning experience smooth and hassle-free. 2. Dual cyclone technology. Equipped with upgraded dual cyclone technology, the vacuum ensures consistent and powerful suction. It effectively tackles large debris, fine dirt, and even microscopic dust particles, leaving no trace behind. 3. Multi-surface cleaning. Switch seamlessly between hard floors and carpets using the manually controllable brush roll. This feature ensures optimal cleaning performance regardless of the surface you're working on. 4. LED headlights. Illuminate every corner of your home with the built-in LED headlights designed to help you spot dust and debris that might otherwise go unnoticed. Darkstar 5. Pet-friendly design. Pet owners will appreciate the inclusion of a pet turbo brush, crevice tool, and dusting brush. These tools are perfect for tackling pet hair and cleaning hard-to-reach areas like upholstery, car curtains, and ceilings. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. Why choose the Eureka MaxSwivel Pro? The Eureka MaxSwivel Pro is not just another vacuum cleaner, it's a comprehensive cleaning solution. With its compact and lightweight design, this vacuum is easy to carry and store, making it an ideal choice for apartments and dorm rooms. The bagless system and washable filter add convenience, ensuring a low-maintenance and eco-friendly cleaning experience. This vacuum cleaner also includes onboard storage for all its accessories, keeping your cleaning tools within reach at all times. Plus, the 5 adjustable height settings allow you to customize the vacuum for different surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean every time. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section. To ensure optimal performance, it's important to clean the roller brush and belt every 2 weeks. Neglecting this maintenance may lead to clogging, malfunction, or even damage to the vacuum cleaner. Regular upkeep will keep your Eureka MaxSwivel Pro running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Final thoughts. The Eureka MaxSwivel Pro NEU 350 upright vacuum cleaner is a powerhouse designed to meet all your cleaning demands. Whether you're dealing with stubborn dirt, pet hair, or everyday messes, this vacuum has you covered. Don't wait. Transform your cleaning routine with this innovative and reliable household appliance. You will find the link to the product in the description and in the comments section.